To curl your hair with foam rollers, start with washed, towel-dried hair. Use a wide-tooth comb to work out any tangles. Then, work some setting lotion or mousse into your hair. Once your hair is about halfway dry, you're ready to start curling. Brush out a length of hair that matches the width of your foam roller. Then, wrap the tips of your hair around the foam roller and roll the roller toward your head. Close the clasp to lock the foam roller in place. Use a bobby pin to secure your roots to the roller. Continue adding rollers to sections of your hair until you've curled all of your hair. Then, leave the rollers in for 8 hours so your curls have time to set. Finally, unclip the rollers and remove them from your hair to reveal your beautiful curls.